Onyx Boox doesn't seem to be slowing down at all. They've just released a ton of devices, including this one, the Air 2. This is a continuation of the Air line, the second generation in the Air line, and the third release if you count the Nova Air 7.8-inch spin-off. This is a 10.3-inch HD Carta screen, 1872 by 1404, 227 ppi, octa-core, 4 gigs of RAM, 3000 milliamp battery, microphone, speaker, glow light, tablet with an e-ink screen. This thing is a beast in the 10.3-inch realm and pretty much trumps everything else running a 10.3-inch screen. Spec-wise, Onyx has always been very high. Availability-wise, Onyx has always been very available. And reliability-wise, Onyx has been pretty reliable. They also have Google Play and the ability to sideload in your own apps even if you don't want to use Google Play. They have a Wacom screen and a capacitive screen, so there aren't too many cons. What are the cons? Well, let's crack it open today to see what's in the box first, and then we'll move on to the review in a future video and try to drum up some cons of our own. We're just going to put this off to the side for now, read the rest of the box. Well, look at the rest of the box. Let's read every single word in this quick start guide. No, it is very big and there are many different languages. In fact, you can see right here there are 15 different languages. Taking a book out of the book of Pocketbook, I said book 3 times, where they have a lot of international language support now, so that's really cool, as Onyx becomes more of an international presence, hence the name Onyx Boox International. Hold on to this. This is your warranty card, and this sticker is an actual sticker that corresponds to the box sticker, so they know that if you have to warranty your device, that everything is corresponding properly. Hold on to all this information, keep that aside. What do we have in the box? I'm actually excited to see what kind of pen they went with. Did they go with the Air pen, the Nova Air pen, or the new pen that's on the Lumi? Let's see what they went with here. So yes, they went to the Lumi 2 pen. You can see that this has the orange contrasting accents without the conical nib. The conical nib, aka the nib that is pointed like a triangle, only seem to be on the Nova Air and the Note Air, but not on the Lumi, even though they're using the same pen. It's getting a little confusing, but don't worry, that's why we're here. We are here to help, and we're here to explain all this in future review videos. USB-C cable included, and that's everything that comes in the box. Let's look at the unit itself, because this is very exciting. Here it is. They usually slide out pretty easily. This one does not, because it is stuck via this. Oh, it slides out this way. I got it. So this slides out sideways like so. And if we grab our stylus, it should be able to snap to the side. Now they said they increased the amount of magnetic snap. It does seem to be a little stronger, although the rotation isn't as good, but the strength of the magnet itself is quite nice. Now they have added more of these little orange accents around the USB and stuff. They had this strip there before, kind of their iconic colors of their new line. And of course the Note Air line is made out of an entire block of aluminum, so that's really cool. It looks really nice. This has speakers, has a microphone, you can do dictation, and it is a flush screen and bezel, taking a book out of the whole remarkable thing with their contrasting side ledger on the one side. This is everything that comes in the box with a brand new Onyx Boox Note Air 2. This is a 2021 holiday season release. We'll get into a review and comparisons and all that fun stuff coming out in the future. For now, for GoodyReader.com and an unboxing of the brand new Onyx Boox Note Air 2 note-taking 10.3-inch Android tablet, this is Peter.